So this time I'm going to try another one, and I'm going to try it rather than just pour it all in the middle like that. I'm going to try a little flip. So this should be fun. So I'm adding my dish liquid mixture. It's got water in it and dish liquid. I'm going to add that to my paints again. So I'm going to use the same colors just to see, out of curiosity, what difference it makes, even though we're using the same colors. So I'll just use the same colors I used before. And I love to experiment. So much fun. My red. And some in my white. And red. That's nice. That's not bad. See? It's kind of nice and watery. It's not real watery, but it's watery enough. And some white. My dish liquid mixture. Dish liquid and water. I feel like a kid again, you know? Oh my. Love making a mess. Kids like making a mess. So do adults. Obviously, they wouldn't be doing these pours, hey. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, putting some of this white paint on, I find helps a lot. Helps it to move. Now, I'm just using my palette knife to spread it around. You can use popsicle sticks or whatever works for you. Alright. See what happens. Just using my canvas 11 by 14. Right? Spreading out some white paint. Now if you like doing these pours and you want to do a lot of them, you can use regular house paint. Just use a latex water-based paint. And you still use the dish liquid, or you can use the pouring mediums, whatever you think you need to. I'll be doing videos on the pouring mediums too. So we can all have some fun. Alright, that's good. Just got it standing up on a bit of a mess there for my last one. So we will add the white first. That's the white. And let's try yellow. And add my green. I think I made something too watery. Oh well. I'll experiment anyway. Red. More white. So we'll start over. And yellow. Green. This is going to be a mess. I added too much water. Okay. At least you'll know. Here we go. Alright guys, keep my fingers crossed. I think this is going to be too watery. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to let that sit there for a minute. This is scary. Yeah, I added too much too much water, too much, maybe I added too much water to my dish liquid. See how watery it is? And then I added too much to my paint. So this is a good lesson in how to not add too much, or what happens when you add too much water. Alright, I'm a bit nervous about lifting it up. Uh-oh. Oh no, 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 no. The colors came out basically the same though, didn't they? See how watery it is? So I think I made it just a little bit too watery. Right? So what happens is the colors didn't jump out as well. It seems to be flowing nicely though. Just that my colors, I think where I had too much water, the colors didn't stay as bright as I would have liked them. So I'm going to add color to that, so all is not lost. So when you're doing it, experiment. Don't consider it wasted. Consider it practice. See how watery that one is? See, that's probably what happened there. All right. But we are experimenting and having some fun. I hope you don't mind. I think I'll stick with landscapes and seascapes, guys. I don't think this is meant for me. I like it, but I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it and everything, but the mess, it's not too bad. I'm trying to not to waste too much paint, and I'm trying to, you know. How cool is that? It's raining. I have a video on one that's a lot cleaner, and you can do it with your kids without too much waste and too much, you know, yeah, without too much waste and mess. So I have a video there for where you can make designs with your kids, right? Oh, look how pretty it's coming out. Look. That. That's surprise. See, you get surprises when you do these. It surprises you. Oh, I like it now. Nice, nice, nice. That's not bad. I like it. I'm not going to swirl it around the other way. I like the way it's coming down like that. See how it's coming down really nice? Yeah, you might want to wear some gloves. Look how it's coming down really nice. I almost kind of like that white. I like the white that's there too, right? A little bit of paint left over. I might just trickle on a few little drips of paint there. Ah, this is so much fun, isn't it? What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. It's so much fun though. I won't be insulted if you say, well, stick to your landscapes. But I'm having so much fun. Look, I'm even trickling on some leftover paint. Look. See, this gets your imagination going though, doesn't it? You know? Gets all your imagination flowing, and you're like, what else can I do with that? Wow. Love it. Look, I love it. I didn't like it at first, but I guess you gotta let things happen. Look at that. any dish soap left over? Maybe I'll add a little drop of water. My dish. I should leave well enough alone, shouldn't I? Should. Just mixing up some leftover white there with a bit of water and dish liquid. Oh, here we go, here we go. I'll put it over in the corner so I won't... That's kind of nice though, I like it. I don't think I'm going to do much else with that. I don't think I'm going to move it around. Do you think I should? What do you think? What do you think? Help me out, guys. What would you do? I like it. I am happy with it now. Just getting a little bit over here. I like the way it's coming down, so I really don't want to disturb that. I think I'll leave it alone. Leave well enough alone, they say. And I kind of like that white canvas showing through. Gives it a different look, doesn't it? Gosh, I hope you like this. It's so much fun, even though it's not like amazing like some of the other videos where you got all these cells and all kinds of stuff going on and beautiful patterns. Like, I really like this because it's different and you don't have to struggle and worry about, oh, I don't like that because it didn't come out like so-and-so's and all that. Like, this is, I really like it. Now we use different colors, you're going to get different color scheme, right? Like the other one that I did was more of the reddish, pinkish colors came out, but this one here got more greens in it because I added more green and it was a little more watery, so it went on the green side. And then because I never got enough white, I just added some white after. That is so cool. Well, I hope you like this one, and yeah, let me know in the comment section if you thought that this was a fun project to do. And I like it, so I hope you do too, and I hope that you'll give this a try. It's only easy, it's not too messy, a little bit of mess, but not too bad. You can try it with a smaller canvas and less paint. That will save you some paint and some mess. And I'll try a few more things now. I got a few more things planned with this, and then we'll continue on with our landscapes and seascapes and all our beautiful paintings that we do together. If you got any suggestions, just let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.
thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.